Let me ask you something. What if I told you a job that paid over 100 grand a year is now being done by AI? Faster, cheaper, and in some cases, even better. Not some entry-level job, not customer service. We're talking about a professional skill people went to school for, built careers around, and now, gone. Or at least, changed forever. And this is just the beginning. So if you're sitting there thinking your job is safe, this video might be your wake-up call. But don't worry, I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to show you how to adapt before it's too late. Let's get into it. All right, so here's the job that just got wiped off the map by AI. Video editors. Specifically, social media video editors. These were people who were earning $80,000 to $120,000 a year cutting short-form clips, adding subtitles, B-roll, jump cuts, stuff you see all over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Brands, agencies, coaches, they all needed editors to do this manually. Now, tools like OpusClip, Pictory, and Descript can take a long-form video and instantly turn it into dozens of viral-ready clips, with captions, zooms, jump cuts, and everything. What used to take someone hours is now done in 60 seconds by AI. And here's the crazy part. Most viewers can't even tell the difference. In fact, many prefer the AI versions because they're faster and more optimized for attention. That's a $100,000 job gone. And if it happened to them, why not you? Now, before you start freaking out, let's zoom out for a second. Because it's not just video editors. AI is creeping into roles like paralegals, writing basic legal drafts, junior copywriters, doing ad headlines and product pages, customer service agents, replaced by 24/7 AI chatbots, even software testers and junior devs. But here's the important thing. It's not replacing everyone. It's replacing the people who don't know how to use it. That's the shift that's happening right now. Employers aren't saying, let's fire everyone. They're saying, let's keep the people who use AI to get 10 times more done in half the time. That's who's winning in 2025. Here's the truth most people won't tell you. AI will take jobs. But it's not going to be some sci-fi robot apocalypse. It's going to be invisible, quiet, gradual. One tool here, one automation there. Suddenly, your 8-hour task takes 30 minutes, and your team needs one less person. It won't be a dramatic layoff. It'll be, yeah, we just don't need to backfill that position anymore. But here's the good news. This doesn't mean you're doomed. It means you need to learn how to use AI, not fight it. Because AI won't take your job, but someone who knows how to use AI will. So the question is, what do you do? How do you not just survive, but thrive in the AI era? Here's the game plan. Step 1, learn how to prompt like a human who knows what they're doing. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, they're only as smart as the questions you ask. Learn to feed them context, tone, structure. That alone will make you 10 times more effective. Step 2, build a simple AI workflow for your job. Whether you're a marketer, designer, coach, developer, there are GPTs and tools built specifically for what you do. Figure out how to save yourself time and impress your boss or your clients. Example, automate content outlines, captions, summaries, follow-up emails, anything repetitive. Step 3, pick one tool and go deep. Don't try to learn everything. Master a few. Maybe it's Midjourney, maybe it's OpusClip, maybe it's ChatGPT with custom GPTs. When you get really good with a couple tools, people start coming to you. Step 4, shift your mindset. Stop thinking of AI as a threat. Start thinking of it as a tool, like Photoshop, Excel, or Google back in the day. The people who learned those tools early, they got ahead. Same story here. So here's the bottom line. AI is changing the game. Quietly, rapidly, permanently. Jobs won't vanish overnight, but they'll slowly evolve until you look up one day and realize you're replaceable if you didn't adapt. But you don't have to be, because right now, in 2025, the playing field is still wide open. You can learn the tools. You can build something new. You can turn AI into your greatest advantage if you move fast. So ask yourself, are you going to wait for the wave to hit you, or are you going to ride it? If you're serious about leveling up, drop a comment with your job title below, and I'll reply with AI tools you can start learning today. And hey, if this gave you something to think about, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. The AI era is here. Let's not just survive it, let's win.